Level 2, D. Today, we're going to learn about two concepts. First, adding two-digit numbers. Second, adding one-digit numbers with regrouping. First, I have some questions for you. What are the two-digit numbers? When do we regroup in addition? How do we regroup? The two-digit numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, until 99. We do regrouping when the sum of the digits in the addends of the same place is 10 or greater. We regroup by carrying the extra digit from a lesser place to a greater place. Let's learn about the first concept. Adding two-digit numbers. Let's have an example. 26 plus 41 is equal to 26 and 41 are two-digit numbers. First, add the numbers in the ones place. 6 and 1 are in the ones place. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then add the numbers in the tens place. 2 and 4 are in the tens place. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The answer is 67. How about the next example? 124 plus 43 is equal to 124 is a three-digit number. 43 is a two-digit number. Does this example follow our concept? Very good. All addends should be two-digit numbers. Let's learn about the second concept. Adding one-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's have an example. 8 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 4 are one-digit numbers. Let's add 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 is a number that is greater than 10. The value of 2 is 2 or 2 ones. The value of 1 is 10 or 1 tens. Write 2 in the ones place and regroup 1 to the tens place. How about the next example? 7 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 2 are one-digit numbers. Does this example follow our concept? No. Very good. No regrouping takes place in this example. So this example doesn't belong to our concept. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!